Problem statement is write a program to convert a list and a tuple into array. Uh, here, the program is not very complex, very simple program. The basic purpose of this one is like to understand how list, tuple, and array will work. Lists are dynamic in nature. Like a list can contain heterogeneous elements. Like it need not be the same type of data. See, a list can be like this. The first element can be an integer. Second, it can be a floating point number. Third, it can be a string, and fourth, it can be an array. Like this, like you can have any type of data inside list. So this is very convenient if you want to have, if you have this kind of requirement. And one other thing is the lists are very dynamic in the sense like addition and deletion of elements in a list is very easy. There are so many built-in methods for list. If you put a dot here, I mean you'll see all the methods supported here. So there are so many methods which will operate dynamically on the list. I mean they are built-in methods in Python. Coming to arrays, arrays can support only one type of data. It cannot support the heterogeneous data in an array. Like it can be completely all the elements are supposed to be either integer or floating point or whatever data you choose, the entire array should have the same data type. And one other thing is arrays, addition and deletion in arrays is like it's a little bit more time consuming compared to lists, because they are placed in consecutive memory locations. Each element in the array will be placed in consecutive memory locations in computer memory. And because of this, they can be accessed very fast compared to lists. So this is the basics about lists and arrays. And coming to tuple is very similar to list. Only thing is it is not mutable. Like we cannot change the tuple. So for example, if you declare a tuple like this, you cannot add and delete elements from the tuple like we do in lists. So this is the basic difference between tuple and list. Now let us write the program. First we will see array is not built in function in Python. So we need to import array. Here I have given the link. Like okay, I'll explain that little later. Let us declare one list. The list can, let us assume this is integer list. Now we have to convert this list into an array. How we have to do is, let us name this as list array equal to array of like this. First we need to give the type code in the sense what type of data this list is containing. In case this list holds heterogeneous data like one integer, one floating point, something like that, then this conversion will give an error. See, integers can be converted into, this is I stands for integer. If you take a look at this link now, you'll see all supported type codes while converting list into an array. This I stands for integer. That means the entire data will be formed as an integer array here. In case you see here you can have floating point. If it is floating point, then all these numbers will be converted into floating point numbers, and then they will be saved in this array. Like floating point in the sense 1.0, 2.0, like that they will become, and then they will be saved as an array here. So not only integer and floating point, there are so many type codes you can use to convert list into array, which can be seen in this particular link. Here na, like while converting na, suppose if you have a floating point number in one of the data types like 3.5, you can't convert it into an integer, because there will be data loss, right? So 3.5, if you convert it into an integer, it will be 3 or something like that. So there is a loss of data. So you can't convert floating point into array. This will throw an error. We will see this, I mean, this will throw an error if you do this. Whereas if this is an integer, you can convert it into float because we are not losing any data. So this is allowed. So we don't have any problem here. So this is how we need to convert list into array, and we are saving it here. Let us print. First we will print the list. Let us take formatted print, and this is list. Similarly, let us print list array. See, this is the list, and the list array is this one. See, all of them were converted into floating point numbers, and the type is displayed here. Okay, this is the array. This is how we can convert list into array. Let us see how tuples can be converted into arrays. A tuple is declared like this with the simple braces. We can have any number of elements. Again, to convert tuple or list into arrays, the elements should be uh, same type. Otherwise, array cannot accept heterogeneous types. So the basic difference between tuple and list is dynamic, like elements can be added and deleted from a given list. In case of tuple, we cannot do that. It is not mutable. I mean, we cannot add and delete elements from a tuple. More or less, rest of the methods supported on them are same. Let us see like how to convert tuple into an array. It is similarly, however we do it for list, it is the same. This time let us declare the type as integer. I stands for integer, F stands for float, and then we'll give the tuple here. So type code can be, you can find out the exhaustive list of type codes at this link. I mean, now the tuple is converted into an array, and let us print both tuple and array. This is list, and this is list array with the floating point type numbers, and this is tuple, and this is tuple array with type as integer. Integer means we don't have this fractional part here. This is actually, the program is very simple. Only thing is we need to understand the concepts of list, tuple, and then array. This is the end of the program.